Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Windows 8 Build 8036. Now, Windows 8 Build 8036 is a pre-developer preview / milestone 3 build of Windows 8. It was compiled on June 29th, 2011, and the time bomb is March 15th, 2012. So this build is obviously a milestone 3 build of Windows 8, and it was leaked on October 20th, 2024. So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be creating our brand new virtual machine so that we can do this, because yeah, some things have actually changed in this build, so that's really nice. We're gonna do a bit of that. Windows 8 build 8036. This is another AMD 64 only build, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna give it 2 CPU cores, 4 gigs of RAM, and yeah, this is just gonna be pretty normal. Now we are gonna make a couple of changes to the virtual machine before we get started. First of all, we're gonna be removing the network adapter. Second of all, we will be setting USB to USB 2.0. I'm not sure if it has the same bug, but just in case it does, it's compiled around the same time, so I mean, it probably might have it. So yeah, so let's grab our 8036 ISO, everyone. Click close, finish, and I will be back. Alright everyone, we are back, and now let's start the virtual machine up. So yeah, obviously we're going to be booting our virtual machine, and the recording is already lagging. That's perfect. Anyways, we are now going to just go into free stretch mode, which makes a lot of sense here, and we're somehow using 13% of our CPU. So yeah, but I mean, hopefully we're doing fine. I mean, I don't really know. We're gonna set the date to 2011 because yeah, probably a good idea. Oh no. There we go, come on. There we go. So now we can exit saving changes. There we go. Now I wonder what is... So the setup, oh yeah, the setup is gonna change a bit, but not by a lot, so yeah. Yeah, it's not really going to be able to be changed. So yeah, it's basically the normal setup, because it's just going to be the normal boot screen and basically the same setup except some minor differences from the other setups that we've been seeing in the previous videos. So yeah. Now, yeah, we still have the same boot screen with the beta fish. However, the beta fish will come back later in a future episode. You'll see that later when we get there. That future episode will probably not come out for a while, so yeah. Anyways, as you can see in the setup, the Windows 7 text has been removed because it now just says Windows, and instead of saying copyright, it says just 2011 Microsoft Corporation. So the copyright date has also been updated. Anyways, we're gonna click install now because, well, yeah. And we are going to be installing the build. So I'm probably gonna have to put in the product key. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be putting in the product key, and well, yeah, I don't really know. I don't really know. So yeah, setup is starting. And yeah, I'll be back once I put in the product key. I don't even know when we're gonna get to that prompt, but I'll be back. Alright, so we're going to accept the license terms. Why did I deselect it right there? Custom install, next. And I will return once something interesting happens. Yes! Alright, so yeah. Guys, it is almost ready for you to put on the finishing touches. Isn't that nice? Alright guys, it's here. We're gonna call it E, because I don't have a good computer name for this. Yeah, this build really was just like the setup. There's really not anything interesting about this build, but we'll get red pill anyway. Just to explore, you know, just to see if there is anything interesting about it, because there could be something interesting about it, there could not be something interesting about it, who really knows? So yeah, anyways, we will be back. And what the heck is that? Oh okay. Anyways, I will be back and I will return, so yeah. Alright, so we have returned and we have gotten this installed, but we need red pill. So I guess I'll grab red pill. So I mean, yeah, I'll be back once we're done. So yeah, I really don't know what we're gonna do in this build. You know what, for the fun of it, we're gonna try to get VMware tools. Yes, VMware tools. Let's just try to get VMware tools, because I don't know what else to do in this build. So we're gonna get VMware tools. But also they've dropped the 8. They've dropped the 7. So yeah, the 7 is gone. So that's pretty crazy. Let's go over to tools. VMware tools. I wonder what the cool tools ISO is. I actually want to try that out. I wonder what that is. But anyways, we're going to be grabbing VMware tools because I want to find out if it will break or if it can actually install on Windows 8 build 8036. So let's get started and run the installer. So as you can see, auto run has popped up. We are going to click on yes. Oh my, that sound was just crazy. Okay. It seems to be doing something. I don't want to jinx it. If we can get VMware tools installed, it should run smoother. Should is the keyword. Once again, should is the keyword. Anyways, the installer is almost there, but it's not really there yet. So, you know, I'm just going to pause the recording and I'll be back and I'll let you know what actually happens. So, yeah. Okay, so we have this. I don't know. Install. I wonder what this will actually do. Will it just crash though? I don't know if it'll just like crash or if it will fail to boot or anything, but we'll find out, you know. So yeah, it's gonna now install VMware tools and this will probably take forever, and I don't want it to take forever. And oh my gosh. Okay, that progress bar is just reset. Great. Copying new files. That's the current status, huh? So, I mean, you know, it'd be crazy if I did a live exploring video. I think I should do a live exploring video at some point. Again, maybe like, I don't know, should I do one tomorrow? I don't know. I don't know if I'll do one tomorrow, but yeah, you know. And we are installing the VMCI driver. Starting services, configuring, installing the VMXNet 3 driver, USB mouse driver, the PS2 mouse driver, the audio driver, the video driver. This is actually the display. And if you didn't know, VMware Tools basically just installs all the drivers that you need for VMware on the computer. So also you have to use VMware Tools 10 for these because, well, yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it got rid of our arrow. It closed Windows Arrow. And it reset the video resolution, the graphics resolution. It now looks worse. I'll have to say it looks worse. I'm not sure if this is what was supposed to happen. Registering product. Publishing product features. I'm sorry, what do you mean by publishing product features? Okay, now it's removing backup files, normal. And this is where it should prompt us to restart the computer. Also, I think we can get out of free stretch mode. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. There we go. And now it's actually at 1080p. It is not smoother though. I think we have to reboot for it to be quote unquote smoother. But yeah, it's removing backup files now. And you know, I'll be back once it's really just done. I don't really know, man. But yeah, it's really... Oh yeah, look at that. That's a bit smoother. I mean, not a lot, but... Now, I changed my mind. Guys, you can do this. You can do this, come on. Would you like to do this? Well, now you can. Well, let's see if we can do it again. Let's see if we can cause it again. There we go. There's another one that we can, like, draw, kind of, you know? Well, not really, but, like, kind of. We can move the individual pixels by dragging it. It looks so cursed. If we open up the start menu, half of it goes away. And let's click on yes to restart our computer. And now it is going to restart the computer. Oh wow, preparing to configure Windows. Did we just get hit with the Windows update? Guys, I think we got hit with the no, we didn't. It's restarting. Okay, cool. Okay. Nice. I'll be back once it's done restarting or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, we are now once again booting up. We don't have full screen resolution. I do not know why. Hopefully it returns when we log in. But yeah. I really don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh look, the HP Pavilion G6 restarted. That one's installing Windows 8 build 8250 for the Windows 8 upgrade saga, so that's very nice. So yeah, and well, we are going to continue going down this rabbit hole, I guess. I don't know. Alright, I think, alright, the resolution's back, and we are back. We glorious. Let's try to get Arrow. Oh no, it's opening in full screen. Wait, what? We can't get Arrow? We can't get Arrow. What? What do you mean we can't get Arrow? Windows Basic. Now, this should load Windows Basic. And then we're going to try to go back to just Windows Arrow because well, I want to go back to Windows Arrow. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. It's taking for actually it's not like it's just taking forever. What the heck? Why is it taking forever? I don't know. Okay, we're now on Windows Basic. The Windows Basic theme looks really weird. Oh, look at that start menu. What is this start menu, bro? What is this start menu? This does not look like Windows Basic. Take me back to Arrow, please. This might be the Arrow Lite. I don't know. No, that's just Windows Basic. Can it not? Can it not have Arrow? I'm not sure. Oh my, the lag. The amount of lag this thing has is just crazy. Anyways, this start menu is just really interesting. Like, what? And what is this? Is this the Arrow Light theme? I don't know. Now look, I really don't know if this is. What is that? Properties. Something got plugged in. I don't know what that was. Yeah, I clicked properties. Hello? Oh, there we are. Oh my god. What was that? Okay, anyways, I guess that's the end of the video. It says Windows Developer. Oh, okay, so it started saying Windows Developer Preview in this before it said something else. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Please subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2026. We are at 761 subscribers right now, and hopefully we can reach our goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you could subscribe, that would be really nice. But if you don't want to, it's fine. I mean, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.